How can you merge together dictionaries in Python? There are many ways to merge dictionaries in Python. Let's first look at the simplest way to merge dictionaries, which most of the time will be all that you need. Here are two dictionaries. We'd like to make a new dictionary that combines these two. This third dictionary should contain all of the key value pairs from the first one and all the key value pairs from the second one. The easiest way to do this is to use the pipe operator. This is essentially the same as making a new empty dictionary and then looping over all the items in the first dictionary and then all the items in the second dictionary and adding all of them to this new dictionary. But what if you wanted to update your dictionary in place? In terms of our for loop, we would want to loop over the second dictionary and add each key value pair to the first dictionary. The dictionary update method can do that work for us. Update accepts a dictionary and modifies the dictionary that it's called on to contain all the key value pairs from both dictionaries. It's also possible to use the pipe operator in an augmented assignment statement. This does the same thing as the dictionary update method, so which one you use is up to your personal preference. We can also merge dictionaries with Python's double star syntax. I find this a little bit less readable than the pipe operator, so I usually use pipe instead. Sometimes the pipe operator and this double star syntax will give you a different result. For example, if you use the pipe operator with a custom mapping type, like default dict, that custom type is used for the new dictionary. So if we use the pipe operator to merge these two default dict objects together, we'll end up getting a default dict object in return. The type of the first dictionary is used whenever the pipe operator is used on a dictionary. But when star is used to merge dictionaries, we'll always get the dict class. So occasionally I'll use star if I want to accept any type of dictionary, but I'd like to always return the built-in dict type. But usually the behavior of the pipe operator is actually what I'm looking for. What would happen if we merge two dictionaries and have overlapping keys? For example, our two dictionaries here both have a title key. Well, just as if we merged our dictionaries by looping over them with for loops, it's the last value for each key that will be the one that ends up in our dictionary. So since more context is after context, the value for title will end up being home. What if we want a different behavior? For example, what if we wanted to handle duplicate keys by making the largest value be the one that appears in our new dictionary? Here, we would end up getting the largest value of these numbers whenever our keys overlap. Well, there's no simple shortcut for this case. We can do this by copying the first dictionary and then using a for loop to loop over the second one, checking whether each key is in our dictionary and updating its value appropriately. Usually, the easiest way to join two dictionaries together is to use the pipe operator. But why do we use the pipe operator instead of the plus operator? The plus operator is used for joining sequences with concatenation. But concatenation is a little bit different from joining dictionaries. Dictionaries need to handle the case of joining with duplicate keys. The pipe operator was chosen because it was already being used for joining together sets. The pipe operator is used for performing a union operation between two sets. So you can think of merging dictionaries as similar to unioning two dictionaries together. The next time you need to join two dictionaries together, remember the pipe operator. But if you need to join dictionaries together in some kind of custom way, you'll probably need a for loop instead.